Hello students, myself Dr. Seema Ojha, Assistant Professor, Government MS College, Bikaner. This lecture is for MA final students of ECE. Today we will discuss Western educator Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Biographical note of Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a Swiss by birth. He exercised a great influence toward modernizing by educational thought and practice. He introduced a movement in education which is called naturalism. The basic idea of naturalism is that the natural growth of children in a natural environment constituted an adequate education. Idea was opposite to the oppressive educational philosophy of Rousseau's days, that the child were born wicked and education had to go a long way to socialize them. Rousseau also wrote two books titled Emile, and second is uh, Social Contract. Rousseau wrote two books. First is Emile and second is Social Contract, which gave his educational philosophy. He wrote in an original, fresh, and emotional style that charmed his readers. His work had great influence in bringing about the pulling down of the last hereditary privilege thought the medium of French Revolution. Next, we come to the point his ideas and contribution. Some of Rousseau's ideas and contribution of early childhood education are: number one, nature is always right. He gave first idea, nature, in which nature is always right and training is usually bad. Nature wants children to be before they are men. He should not force our adult taste and ways over the children. Uh, Let children be children. Second, make games and education a game. Third point is teach less from books and more from life. Use many objects, pictures, and illustrations, and use few words. Next idea is let the child be free. Teacher should try to win his confidence and stimulate the mind of the child with the things which he can understand. Next, harsh discipline and repression is bad for children. Freedom for children is essential for his overall proper growth and development. Rousseau's movement of naturalism spread far and wide throughout the world. Natural growth of children in a natural environment is thought out to be proper education. In the present day, nursery schools, the children are given lot of play material, water, sand, clay, and different type of colors. This helps in the growth of spontaneous activity of the children. The current emphasis on the study of environment by children has proved that Rousseau's naturalism is applicable even today as it was 2 centuries earlier. Next, we come to the point the importance which Rousseau's attached to practical ideas is evident from the following para. I do not like explanations in words. Young people give them little attention and hardly retain them. Things, objects, I cannot ever repeat often. Thought through that we give too much authority towards with our babbling education that produce only babblers. This all are the ideas of Rousseau given by Rousseau's ideas and contribution in educational institutions and for education. Thanks.